One of the biggest problems that we faced in data quality is due to data entry. These are a few examples. Unclean data entry facilitated less accurate analysis. Could be traced to lazy employees, unskilled employees who try to put as minimal data as possible as quickly as possible, and this is where the data quality get impacted. Many data entry systems allow free form as well, data entry and text value. This is an issue for us. Why? Because the same city might be entered three different ways. Louisville, Louisville, and Louisville. So this is why the best way to control data entry is to have a drop-down list. So they will not have any choices except going to the list and click exactly the city name in this example. Routines to clean up data needs to take into account all possible variation of bad data. Data quality, interoperability, examples. How can data from one database be compared or combined with another? Not an easy thing sometimes. What if the fields are not the same or not present at all or used differently? Think of medical or insurance record. Translation, mapping of terms and terminology becomes an issue when the unification of the terminology was not done early on in the process. Same standard, sometimes use gallon, sometimes use liter, meter, foot, identifier like SSN and ISBN for books. So the solution is federated databases, queries that combine information across multiple servers. One of the big issues that we faced in the past is disparate data examples. Data could be in different location, different formats, different systems, legacy versus new systems. Relational databases might have little bit of information about customers. Meanwhile, a product could be on desktop databases and a little bit of information about purchasing and marketing scattered all over the place in spreadsheets. Imagine like you have the situation in one organization. The data may also be in databases on different operating system and hardware platform. It's very important to unify them. We already saw this how a warehouse will solve this issue early on in this lesson. Another big issue that we face is the inconsistent data. These are a few examples. Same company, they might have two plants and have different part numbers for the same physical part. To represent true and false, sometime one system may use 1 and 0 while another system may use true and false. Another example, when data stored in different countries will likely store sales in their own local currency, pound versus dollars. The solution is to convert everything to one common currency, dollars, let's say, to be able to compare apple to apple.